Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to adjust logo size in SurveyMonkey. Now first just open up the survey that you want to edit. Come here, click on Design Survey, and you can either add a logo by clicking on this icon, and if you don't see that icon, that's okay. Click here on Style on the right hand panel, click on Settings, and then click on your logo. And here we can click on this plus icon to upload a logo. So you can either get one from a library or you can drag and drop a file from the computer, which is what we'll do right here. This is our logo. I'll drag and drop this. And all you need to do once this has been done uploading, you just come here and change this size. As you can see, this is too big. Instead of the actual size, you can choose it to either be small, we have medium and large. So this is what it would look like. And then you can align the position. So I'll place this in the center. There we go. If you want to add a descriptive text, you can add a descriptive text right there. But this is how you can go ahead and adjust your logo size, okay, in SurveyMonkey.